Hey YouTube, today I'm sharing a review of a custom trading bot that turned out to be a pretty interesting experiment. In just 4 minutes, you'll see my entire experience from installation to the final results. The coolest part is that this bot was created entirely with ChatGPT using open APIs. So even if you're not fully familiar with this topic, this assistant will help you take your first steps. Just make sure to follow proper risk strategy. All right, let's begin. Here's the mechanism that demonstrates exactly how the bot works. Feel free to pause and study it if you'd like, and we'll move on. First, install the required extension or any of its alternatives. If you don't have it yet, you'll find the link in the description below this video. Once it's installed, go right here. This is the tool we'll be using. It's also linked in the description. Click the button on the left and we can start. Now on to the assistant itself. The link to it is also in the description. Paste its code into this field. Wait a couple of seconds. Great, it's loaded. Click here, then here, and we can continue. It's very straightforward. Here you'll see a brief explanation of how the bot works, along with several technical indicators. Don't worry about the time ranges. The system automatically averages the data for better results. Scroll down. Now you can deploy the AI contract infrastructure. This is necessary so the assistant can interact with Ethereum and DeFi platforms. We wait for confirmation. Usually it takes a couple of minutes. Done. Next step, funding the trading process. The funds will be transferred into the same DeFi infrastructure we just activated. The minimum is 0.2. In my testing, everything below resulted in unstable operations, so I don't recommend it. I recommend using anywhere from 1 to 50. There's no strict limit, just choose what you're comfortable with. For this demonstration, I'm using 1.5. Enter the amount and generate a unique contract address. That's your personal address. Copy it and make sure you send exactly the amount you specified. Then click the button. Paste the contract address. Enter your amount. Double-check everything. Looks correct. Confirm. Processing will take up to 1 minute, and then the trading will start automatically. If you scroll down, you'll see the full activity log of the assistant. To avoid taking up too much time in the video, I'll let it run and come back later. Alright, I'm back, and here are the results of the experiment. We press this button, it stops the bot and returns your funds along with the final outcome. Opening the extension, and as you can see, everything is ready. The experiment took only 15 hours. You can run the assistant for as long as you want. I usually let my bots run for about 2 weeks. It gives a clearer picture of their performance. If you want to try it yourself, re-watch the video to avoid mistakes. Results may vary depending on network load, so keep that in mind. This video is made purely for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. Feel free to experiment and see how it works for you. Test it and share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new videos. See you in the next one.